Hey ladies, welcome back to Tracy's Place. I am back with another wig review. This is a Boss wig, and it is called Riley. She is called Riley, and it is a number 4. Hopefully you can see that. The color shown on the package is eggplant, but what I got in the mail, what I ordered was a number 4. I got it from Sam's Beauty and ordered it on, I don't know if you've seen the video I just did on the other unit called the Freedom Part Wig 103. But I ordered them together from Sam's Beauty, ordered it on Saturday, and they both came on Wednesday. This one, this Boss wig, is $22.99. So, look really pretty when I saw it on YouTube on someone. So I'm hoping that it's really, really nice looking on me. I do not see on here, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I don't see on here where it is heat friendly at all. So we'll see. But it's a premium synthetic wig. And let's go ahead and get her out the package. And I generally do not put heat on my wigs anyway. I tried that, I think, one time, and like it just went limp. I couldn't even curl her or anything. So I don't know if I was doing something wrong, but I have not tried since to curl anything. Okay, this is she. It's brown, a very pretty brown. It's not ombre or anything. It's just one color brown. And I do not see on the description card where it is heat friendly at all. Oh, yes it does. Real little. Premium high heat fiber. Safe heat styling. Okay. It does say, but it doesn't say what degree that it is safe to add heat to. So it just says premium high heat fiber. Safe heat styling. That's not too. But anyway, I won't be putting heat to it anyway. Let's see. 3.5 inch J part. So there's a J parting. And it's 3.5 inches deep. So hopefully you can see that. The J part. And then there are 2 combs on the inside. One right by the part right here. And this part goes on the side. It's a side part wig. So there's a comb right there by the part. And then there's a side comb right here. So it does not have a comb in the back. But I don't too much wear my combs anyway, because combs kind of damage the hair a lot of the time. So I just put bobby pins in mine in a few places, usually about 3 bobby pins. But anyway, that is so pretty. So pretty. It's a little bit more shinier than the Freedom part. A little bit more shinier than the Free Tress that I just, but it's not shiny, but it has a sheen, which is nice, which is very nice. So I am going to go ahead and put her on and show you what Riley looks like. Okay, I got her on. I got Riley on. Didn't do too much to her, just kind of adjusted her a little bit, put her on my head. She is, she has tabs right here. So right here, you can just pull it down. She's very comfortable. I did, when I was in the mirror, after I put it on, I did put a little bit of the eyeshadow on, because like I said in the last video, my concealer just froze up because I hadn't used it in a long time. So I just dipped my concealer brush, because there's a brush on the end of here. I just kind of dipped the concealer brush in my old eyeshadow. That's the same color basically as mine. You can see it. As my skin. So I just put that, you know, in the part. So let's see if we can style. I think this is the first time I'm styling one on camera. Okay. see if I can use my little mirror here. And this one does need to be brushed. She has curls in the back of her. And I'll try to turn around. I wish I had a swivel chair. Move this out the way. Ooh. But this is what she looks like in the back. I hope you can see. But this is a very pretty brown color too. It has the swoop bang. And even though I don't like hair in my face, this is pretty. This is doable. She's a little bit more fancier than the 103, than Morgan. I named my other wig Morgan because it didn't have a name. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. I didn't even do too much to her. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. I don't think I'm gonna do too much. Sometimes I'd be scared to do too much to them because some people be on there, they be brushing on those reviews. Don't brush all the curls out, girl. That's pretty. Got this one flip that won't flip out. Won't brush out. Okay. Oh, I like that. She's pretty too. So this probably be my special going. My places that I go kind of special. It'd be for Sunday. And if I go somewhere special. That's cute. And it's not too long. I don't like those super long wigs. I just like something I can put on and go. Because as in I don't know if you saw the last review that I did on the 103, Freedom Part 103. But I'm natural. And my hair is about this length stretched out, but you know, shrunken up in its natural state. It's about like this. It's a cute little curly afro, but I'm not a fan of short hair on me. Short hair on me, I think, makes me look frumpy. And my hair has always been long when I was younger, and it was about like this. And I have a couple of pictures where my hair was something like this. I always say my daughter took my length, you know, my hair, because when she was born, when I got pregnant with her, everything just kind of went, ear. But it's all good. It's all good. But this is pretty. And she says, Mommy, you can wear your hair out. Your natural hair looks nice. Wear your hair out. And I'm like, nah. But I like this. This has a little shedding, and these Boss hairs kind of, that's the brand, Boss hair. They usually do, if you kind of brush them out at first, you know, kind of gets those first sheddings out. So, yeah, it has a little bit of shedding. But I like that. I like that. I'm scared to brush her out, y'all. I'm scared to hard brush her and see everything that she can do. When she gets a little older, I usually play around with my wigs a lot more when they get older. But once I getting the first style that I like right after I buy it, I leave it like that for a long time. But that's cute. That is so cute. I like that. I like that. So this is Riley. This is in the number 4. It's a pretty rich brown color. It has sheen to it. It's not too shiny. It is comfortable. It's not yucky, but it's not super silky either. I like, you know, lightly yucky, like the Freedom Part 103. But I like this too for dressy occasions because it just has a little sheen and it doesn't look plastic and shiny or anything like that. But I just love, I never did think when I was coming up I'd be wearing no wigs. But so many people wear them now. African Americans, Caucasians even. And a lot of times you don't know they have it on because it just looks like it could be their hair because their natural hair is usually straight or, you know, whatever. But a lot of them are wearing it. I heard this one Caucasian lady say the other day, Oh, the black women, we should have took hair tips from them a long time ago. We should have been wearing wigs. But they wear extensions and wigs and everything too. We just don't. Sometimes you can't tell which one's doing, which ones don't. But I like this. I like this. So for you all who are scared to wear wigs, honey, if you are a busy person especially, and you fuss around with your hair and it won't do right sometimes, and you know, and you just want something different, I really like this. Wigs are very versatile. They're handy. They just make life easier. I remember when I had my own hair and I had it permed or relaxed rather, and all the stuff I had to go through, how long it would take to get ready in the morning and all that stuff. And then nowadays, you know, with these wigs, and they look naturally yours. They look like they almost growing out your scalp, and you can just put them on and just, you know, look nice, quick, really quick. Oh my goodness. So, all right, guys, but that is it. This one was $22.99. I think I said that in the beginning, but yeah, that's everything. So, Sam's Beauty, while it lasts. All right, guys, I love you all. Subscribe. I do many different types of videos here on this channel. It's not a niche channel right now. I do mukbangs. I have recipes. Have some college move-in videos, dorm hauls and things like that from my daughter. Let's see, vlogs, family vlogs, vacations, just a lot of different stuff. So sometimes if you work and you go to lunch, and some people don't always eat with somebody, kind of go to lunch and you lonely, take me along. Eat with me on my mukbangs. We can talk and chit chat. All right. I will see you guys next time. And thank you so much for coming to Tracy's Place. See you next time.